Home Remedies presents Why you shouldn't use cotton swabs to clean your ears. You should not use cotton swabs to clean your ears. Have you ever been tempted to clean out your ears or your children's ears with cotton swabs? The purpose of earwax, cerumen, in your ear is to keep your ears healthy by trapping dust and dirt so that they don't travel deeper into your ear. It protects the skin of the human ear canal, assists in cleaning and lubrication, and provides protection against bacteria, fungi, and water. It's secreted by glands in the skin that line the outer half of your ear canals. The inside of your ear doesn't need to be cleaned because earwax is the cleaner. Using cotton swabs, however, can push the wax deeper into your ear canal. You might also seriously damage sensitive ear canal skin or your eardrum. Putting anything inside your ear is a bad idea. The ear canal does not need to be cleaned. The skin in your ear canal naturally grows in an outward spiral pattern. As it slips off, earwax goes with it. Most of the time, the wax will loosen and be absorbed by the body. The need for a cotton swab isn't really necessary. Earwax build-up is not very common. However, signs of too much earwax or earwax that is stuck and blocking the ear canal includes pain or itching, a feeling that your ear is full, ringing in the ear, hearing loss, odor or discharge. If you have any of these symptoms, just follow the instructions to perform at home. You can remove earwax at home using 3% hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is a cerumenolytic, which means that it can soften, break down and dissolve earwax. Tilt your head to the side and drip 5 to 10 drops of hydrogen peroxide into your ear. Keep your head tilted to the side for 5 minutes to allow the peroxide to penetrate the wax. After a day or two, the earwax will be softened and drained out. Do this once a day for 3 to 14 days. Dry your ear canal. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.